Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, Photoshop text box background fill in 3 method. I apply method 1. See this text box. Click the text box group and select the text box. Click pen tool or shape tool as you wish. Press background fill. And method number 2. Select and click the background. Go to effects and see this color or stroke or double click for change all color. Again change the color. Okay, and apply 3. Click fill. Is fill. Go to file, open and select any image. Find your image. Click image. Click and drag it. Press Ctrl T. Hold Shift. Right click. Create clipping mask. And change text color. Shadow. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.